I mean bubble wrap.
No!
Okay, then get your butt over here.
Dumbass, it's a fucking corner too hard and it shattered my leg.
Alright.
She flipped the corner too hard, fucking threw it, like, flew over my leg.
Can I have one?
No.
Okay.
What? Go away.
Where's Mom?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought she came home. Kaden, you want to take a video of the bubble wrap suit?
Nope.
I'll let you kitten.
Nope.
Ah!
Do that. Not my room.
No, 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 no! No! God dang it! I can't get up. Yeah.
Nope, I'm full.
Dad!
Hey, Derek.
It's the best song.
There, hang on. I want to bump into you. We're at Twin Peaks.
Oh, and she thought that it was half off appetizers or it was half off everything from 3 to 6. So, my $40 meal turned into a $20 to $1 meal.
Hey, Derek, can you help me?
What's happening?
Recording.
Gotta flex on this.
I'll wrap you up even more.
Addie took her turn kind of hard. And yeah, I had my leg shifted so it would go over my leg. Flew around the corner, it goes, flies over my leg.
The one off the driveway, yeah, we'll do it.
Yeah, there's 2 ends in here because that's all she didn't eat. I ordered an 18-piece and we were gonna split it. I had my 9 and then she's like, eat these. There's like 5 more. It's like, make me fat. There's like 2.
Hoorah!
There's no way you get that. That's true. It's not in your genetics.
But Addie thought that I was looking at Daryl's boobs the entire time when I was sitting there watching the game.
Okay. You guys want to see what we freaking used for this? Here's all of it. And all the freaking bubble wrap. Oh, my freaking arm! Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. So we were doing some tests earlier with Sharpies and stuff. Seeing if we could stab them into it. And see if they would get on my skin. It did work. My freaking nuts. Ugh. Okay, comment down below next time what you want to see. New bubble wrap suit. That was version 1. If you want to see a version 2 or part 2 of this video. If you enjoyed it, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And slap that like button. You can comment down below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.